The native doctor that was arrested yesterday, Onyoka, but who practices Nnewi, Mmiri, Afulu, Anya. The society literally died. A new value system came upon us and threatening to overrun the system, overrun all of us, and to become the narrative and their new identity. The narrative, the philosophy, the religion, or whatever thing of wealth, instant magical wealth without work. It's pervasive. We go to some churches, some pastors need also to help us. They're promising people, if you take olive oil or if you do if somebody will claim it without work. Without work. With respect, there's freedom of religion, freedom of worship. Everybody is entitled to worship the way he did. But we know the difference between this criminal idolatry. To come to the other bit, the Ogi days began to emerge on the social media. They were everywhere. What the Mmiri and then a video about on there, all of a sudden are used in thousands, hundreds of thousands. No longer have anything. By 8, 9 a.m. you find youths at beer parlors drinking. And these youths were saying, we are going back to our roots. Which roots? Criminal idolatry. That's the roots. That's not the roots. The roots that I know, and which is coming back to your Anambra rebirth. The root that I know, Eji Malondi Igbo, Eji Malondi Anambra, and the Bible says, he who does not work, let him not eat. The biggest reputation thing we need to deal with is to confront this evil. We must confront it. We must change the language. We must change the narrative. This less than 1% cannot define us. Unfortunately, they became so loud that our youth thought that this was a new way. This was a new way. And that rebirth starts with getting our people to go back to the fundamental roots where we come from. That has made us who we are and what Anambra is known for: enterprise and integrity.